In this episode, we will learn how to say "it's up to you" in Chinese, which is 听你的. How to keep it in your mind easily? Here's my solution for you. Imagine that your wife and you are celebrating your 5th anniversary in a restaurant, and your wife's favorite food is super spicy ones, and your favorite is sweet food, and you dislike spicy ones. And your wife want to order her favorite food, but she want to ask for your opinion on it. You can tell she really want to order that dish, so you tell your wife, "No worries, darling. It's up to you. Whatever you order, I will eat them." So "it's up to you" in Chinese is 听你的,听你的. The English name at the bottom just help you to pronounce the Chinese character correctly, while the figure above it help you to memorize pronunciation easily. From left to right, it is 听你的,听你的. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.